As you can see, I was on a mission today. So don't look at how I look. I got some stuff today. But one thing the pandemic has taught me is that do what makes you happy. Because we don't know how long we're gonna be here. So gardening makes me happy. So I got a lot of good things for the garden today. So y'all be blessed and hit that like button. All right, see y'all later. Hey everybody, it's Growing with Hudson. Just hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. But I'm taking y'all along my trip today. Just left Tractor Supply. I've been watching the prices, so they're about half price. But I got me a Eureka lemon, a Meyer lemon, and an olive tree. And I say one of them is budding, but all they need is a little fertilizer and tender loving care. And I got this trellis for my cucumbers. It's taller than the other little trellis I got. So come back. I'll be at Lowe's next. All right, bye. Okay, y'all. It's gonna be a little noisy, sprinkling too, so y'all be patient. So this all they have plants at Lowe's. It's not a good selection. The figs are 50% off, which the regular healthy figs up front is like $13. But that's all they got for trees. That's what I got so far. Flowers. This is what they have. I gotta watch out. Last time I was by the flowers, some bud. Oh, look at them. That is so pretty. Them must be knockout roses. So that's that. Okay, y'all. I think I'm done. I have a pinch strainer for when I go on beekeeping journey. I like to get stuff before I need it. I got some more perlite because that's low. I got some citrus. For the citrus I just got. I got some black tie. I got 2 things of topsoil. And I got this shovel that I've been wanting. It looks like a, do anybody know anything about cobalt products? But it was heavier than another cheaper one. But it was $30. It's something that I need to get. So, yeah, I'm happy. So, if y'all not out there, get out there and do something. Alright? Bye-bye. And thanks for coming with me on this journey. Look at them flamingos. Hibiscus. Let's see. 24 hours. Do I want to go back and get that fed? Gardeners. Problems. I'm gonna leave y'all with this color.
This part over there. Pretty sure I gotta come out.